The bounty hunter Dwayne Chapman is a famous reality television star of America. He is popular by the name Dog the Bounty Hunter. Dwayne first got his fame as a bounty hunter during the capture of Andrew Loster Max Factor Air in Mexico in the year 2003. Then he started his own series, Dog the Bounty Hunter, which aired on A&E in the year 2004 to 2012. After the end of Dog the Bounty Hunter, he appeared in Dog the Best, On the Hunt, and Dogs Most Wanted. His new series, Dogs Unleashed, is soon to be released in the year 2021. To know more about the net worth, finance, new wife, children, and social media reach of the popular bounty hunter, stick with us until the end. Who is Dwayne Chapman? Wiki Bio Age. Dwayne Chapman was born on the 2nd February 1953 in Denver, Colorado, the United States of America. As of 2020, Dwayne is 67 years old. His birth name is Dwayne Lee Chapman and he is famous as Dog Chapman. He belongs to the zodiac group Aquarius. Dwayne belongs to the American nationality and belongs to the mixture of English, German, Swiss German, and Danish ethnicity. Family life, parents, and siblings. The name of Dwayne's father is Wesley Dwayne, and the name of his mother is Barbara Dwayne. Wesley was a well-known bail bondsman and worked for the Aaron Bail Bonds. Also, Wesley worked for the US Navy during the Korean War. Barbara worked as an Assemblies of the God minister. Talking about his siblings, Dwayne had 3 siblings. The name of his brother is Michael, and the name of his 2 sisters are Paula and Jolene. Early life and education of Dwayne Chapman. When Dwayne was at the tender age of 16, he became a member of Devil's Disciples, which is an outlaw motorcycle club. He also left his home at the same age. Relationship, marriage, and love life. When it comes to the love life and relationship of Dwayne, he has been married 5 times in his lifetime. In the beginning, he got married to a woman named La Fonda Sue Darnell in April 1972. As a result of his relationship with La Fonda, he has 2 children. They are Leland Blaine Chapman and Dwayne Lee Chapman II. However, their relationship could not sustain long and they got divorced in the year 1977. Then, in the year 1979, he got married to Anne Tegnell. They have 3 children together. They are Wesley, James Robert, and Jebadiah. However, their relationship also could not sustain long and they divorced in the year 1982. After that, he got married to Lisa Ray Brittain. Lisa and Dwayne got married right after his second divorce in the year 1982. Dwayne has 3 children with Lisa. They are Tucker D., Lisa Ray, and Barbara Katie. Their relationship could sustain for 9 years and they got separated in the year 1991. 4th and 5th marriage. Moreover, in the year 1991, he got married to Tony Murray. Tony was his secretary and they met while he was charged for drug possession. This couple had no children together. They got divorced in the year 2002, although they separated in the year 1994. Then Dwayne got married to Alice Elizabeth Beth Smith in the year 2006. They have 2 children named Gary and Bonnie Joanne. He also fathered Beth's daughter from her ex-husband named Cecily Barmore Chapman. Beth died due to throat cancer in the year 2019. Also, there are rumors that he had a son with Debbie White, who was his ex-girlfriend. The name of their son is Christopher Michael Hecht. But Dwayne came to know about it later as he kept her pregnancy away from Chapman and committed suicide in the year 1978. How rich is Dwayne Chapman? His net worth. The bounty hunter Dwayne has earned a considerable amount of money from his bonds business and as a bounty hunter. He has already collected around $6 million from his career as a bounty hunter and a former bail bondsman. Social media reach. Dwayne is quite a great personality on social media as he has acquired a huge number of fans. He has around 517,000 followers on his Instagram profile. Also, on his Twitter account, Dwayne has more than 638.7 thousand followers. Hence, it is quite sure that he has collected a huge fan base. Rumors and controversies faced by Dwayne Chapman. In his lifetime, Dwayne Chapman has faced different rumors and controversies. He was convicted of the murder of Jerry Oliver in the year 1976. While he was waiting in a car, his friend accidentally shot and killed Jerry Oliver as they had to deal with the cannabis. This incident convicted him of the first-degree murder of Jerry. Then he got sentenced to 5 years in prison. After he served at the Texas State Penitentiary in Huntsville, Texas for 18 months, he got paroled in the year 1979. Moreover, in October 2007, the controversy came about his conversation with his son Tucker. The rumors were about his son having an affair with an African American girl. As he used the word nigger during the phone call, he was criticized a lot. He even apologized to the public after the incident.
Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up to this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the notification bell to never miss an update.